Immunity in humans. There are two types of immunity: innate immunity and acquired immunity. Let's see in details. We learn about innate immunity first. The term innate means inborn or congenital. That is, innate stands for present since birth. So, is this type of immunity in organism present since birth? That's right. All humans are born with innate ability to fight against germ infection. This type of immunity is called as innate immunity, and since it presents by birth, the type is not specific to any particular infection. Rather, it is a non-specific type, the ability to fight various acute infection on its own. Now, to fight invading antigen, the system has to be prepared with strong armed forces. In this case, the innate immunity have some components to perform necessary tasks. It includes physical barriers, physiological barriers of the body and cells of immune system and few other molecules. Let's see physical barrier. Innate immunity present since birth, so the physical barrier includes all the organs and their secretion to fight against infection. You can cite an example for it. The largest human organ, that is skin, which act as a first line of defense to human body. So this physical barrier is excellent example of innate immunity. Likewise, skin mucus is also a physical barrier which coating the respiratory tract, urinogenital tract and gastrointestinal tract. Likewise, another barriers is physiological barrier. It includes obstacles to foreign invader like acid secreted by stomach and saliva secreted by salivary gland and many more. Let's see cellular barrier. The immunocells of the body like lymphocyte and monocyte form the cellular barrier as the invader has to face them as soon as he enters the body. Which are the other molecules? We know that immunocells are able to produce target cell protein called antibodies against the invader. The various types of antibodies are grouped as molecule produced or fighting of the infection. Now, since all components like physical barrier, physiological barriers and immunocells are present in our body since birth, they are components of innate immunity. Let's see, second type of immunity is acquired immunity. As the name is acquired by individual in due to course of time. It is a type of immunity which develops over a period of time, which is highly specific in nature. How does immunity gradually develops with time? As we know, the individual is born with some ability to fight infection naturally. It happens in case of innate immunity, but how immunity of specific type of infection? Let's see an example. Acquired immunity. These are numerous microbes present around us. They constantly find opportunity to enter the body. Thus, our body has to encounter numerous pathogens constantly. These encounters help us to develop strategies to fight against pathogen. In this way, immune system develops against to fight specific pathogen that attack us. And this type of immunity keeps developing over a lifetime as we keep encountering several invaders. This is acquired immunity. One of the simplest example of acquired immunity is chickenpox infection. The chickenpox virus acts as antigen and our body synthesizes antibodies as an immune response. Our immune system has very effective memory also, known as immunological memory. Once the antibody against specific virus antigen are synthesized, then next time the body will recognize the same antigen and destroy it before it causes any sort of infection. In this way, acquired immunity works.